My name's JJ. This is Jenna. Hashtag Nena.
Hey.
We are going to make a paper airplane. Ready?
Yeah, I guess.
First things first. Just fold it in half this way.
Well, wait, does it matter?
Nope. As long as you just fold it in half and make it perfect too. Make sure that corners line up perfectly with each other. You're probably going to make yours better than mine.
No.
Probably.
I suck at making it.
I suck
Paper
too.
airplane.
See, you already made yours faster. Okay.
Yeah, but
Now, once you have it down the middle, we're going to open it back up. And then we're going to take this corner and fold it to the center crease that we already have lined up. So from the top, you want it to line up at the very top and in the middle there. Yep. And then make another crease. And then we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Yep, exactly, Jenna. Try to make, look at, see how this is, look at, you want it to be just perfect and pointy.
Like that?
That's pretty close. Not bad for your first try.
And my age.
And your age. Okay. So then, now that we have this triangle shape at the top with the rectangle at the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to take this side and we're going to fold it one more time to the center and make the top real pointy as possible. At the very top here. And just fold it right down the center, just like this, Jenna.
Like this?
Yep, take this piece and then, look, watch, ready? We're like this, we're just going to fold this in half again. Okay?
Like that?
Nope. Take it like this, and then fold the whole thing, and then crease it right down the center like that. Okay? Then, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. What we're doing right now is we're building our wings. The wings to the airplane.
Is that right?
Okay, yeah, so it should look something like that. Just so everyone can see where we're at. That's what mine looks like. That's what Nana's looks like.
Hey.
Wow. Jenna from now on. Okay, so now that we have this, we're going to fold it in half again.
Again?
Yep. Just like that.
Like this?
Yep. And then you're going to make creases again. So now we're just left with this shape.
Is that all?
Nope. Now we have to create a little bit of aerodynamics.
What's that?
So we're going to take this piece, okay, and we're going to fold it down, okay?
This piece?
Yep, let me see. Hold yours like this for me. Yep, exactly. Now set her down. Nope, other way. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it, and you want to make it just to the bottom of this, a straight line, just like this, Jenna.
It's hard.
All right, and then flip it around and do the other side. We're going to create the other wing here.
Like this one?
Yep. Just like that. And then guess what? You flip the wings up, grab it in the middle, and you have
Wait,
paper
what?
airplane.
Right here?
Exactly. Right here.
I was not prepared for this.
Yeah,
Now,
I don't know my email password.
what we have to do is name our
My
airplanes.
device knows
What are you going to name yours?
Why do we have to name it?
Because they're going to fly and they got to know the names of it. Mine's going to be called Airtime. What's yours going to
Mine's
be called?
gonna be JJ likes to poop his pants.
That's a long
No,
name.
actually no.
Okay,
White wing.
good. That works.
How do you spell white? Oh, wait,
W
I have
H
it. My teacher's name was White.
I T E
White wing.
W I-N-G.
I thought.
Jenna, can you tell everyone out there on YouTube how old you are?
I'm 8, almost 9.
There
Wait,
we go.
I'm 8.5.
And we just made super fast airplanes.
Now I'm going to.
All right, let's throw it.
Watch me.
Hey, why do you have to video me?
I'm gonna video you throwing it.
I suck at flying.
Ultimate test.
Now you have